Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix WhatsApp location not opening in Google Maps. If you're tapping a location in WhatsApp and it is not opening in Google Maps, do not worry. The issue is usually caused by a default map setting, app permissions, or an outdated version of WhatsApp or Google Maps. So in this guide, I'll show you the best ways to fix it. So first, make sure your both WhatsApp and Google Maps are updated to the latest version. And the next is you need to go to your settings, and from here, what you need to do is scroll all the way to the bottom until you find this apps on the bottom there. Select the apps. So over here, you need to select the default apps in the top. So from here, you need to select maps and make sure Google Map is selected as your default navigation app, and the exact location of the setting may vary depending on a device. And WhatsApp normally open map link using the available mapping apps on a device, and if Google Map is installed, you may be given the option to open the location in Google Maps, and that is it. That's how you can fix WhatsApp location not opening in Google Maps. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.